Welcome to aminacademy.com. In questions how, why, and what. In that, we'll discuss about the world famous equation E equal to mc square. Now, let us discuss this about the equation as well as proof of that equation. Before that, we'll discuss something about E equal to mc square. It's the world's most famous equation, but what does it really mean? Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. On the most basic level, the equation says that energy and mass, that is the matter, are interchangeable. That means energy and mass, energy can be changed as mass and mass can be changed as energy. They are different forms of the same things. Under the right conditions, energy can become mass and vice versa. We humans don't see them that what way, how can a beam of light and a walnut say be different forms of the same things? Is it possible? But energy wise it's possible, Einstein says. Now we'll discuss this about the famous equation first. E equal to mc squared is a famous equation in physics that describes the relationship between energy E, mass m, and the speed of light c. It states that energy and mass are interchangeable. They are different forms of the same thing. Specifically, the equation means that a given amount of mass can be converted into an equivalent amount of energy and vice versa. Here, some basic things. E represents the energy, which is the capacity to do the work. M represents the mass, a measure of the amount of matter in an object. C represents the speed of light, that is the constant value approximately equal to this, which is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Approximately 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. C squared is the speed of light squared, is squared, a very large number. Now here mc square, where m is the mass, c square is the square of the speed of light. The equation highlights that a small amount of mass can be converted into a very large amount of energy due to the large value of c square. This principle is fundamental to understanding various phenomena, including nuclear reactions and the behavior of particles at high speeds. Now, let us discuss further about this equation. First of all, we'll discuss about the proof. Yeah, we know that Maxwell's by Maxwell electromagnetic equation, light travels at constant speed. Light travel about 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. The momentum p of electromagnetic wave electromagnetic wave or proton. Actually, the photon is an electromagnetic wave. Photon are proportional to the energy level. That is, momentum is proportional to its energy level. Energy level. Therefore, you can say P momentum is equal energy by speed of light. From this, we can see energy equal Pc. Let it be equation 1. Now, we know that momentum of any entity, any mass, m is equal mv. P equal to mass into velocity. In the case of photon, in the case of photon, traveling at speed of light, at speed of light. Therefore, V equal to c. That is, velocity is light speed. Now, therefore, from the equation 1, V equal mc, means instead of V equal C we are using here, V equal to mc mass into momentum velocity. MV here, c equal to mv, p equal to mv. From that we can say p equal to mc. Now we have already the relation E equal to pc. Therefore E equal to, already p we have mc into c. Therefore E equal mc square. So just we proved simply, but it is a thought experiment, but most of the scientists verified it. It's correct. Now, for example, consider this interesting things here. Consider the mass of, consider the mass of 1 gram food. Very little food. One mass of 1 gram of food. Look at here. So, by using energy equation, that is Einstein's energy equation, E equal to mc square. Let us calculate 1 gram of food have certain energy, but this energy is completely used. That means the mass of 1 gram is completely converted to as an energy. What happened? Look at here. The mass of 1 gram is, of course, 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg into c, velocity of light, 3 into 10 to the power of 8, the square, which is equal 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 3 square is 9 into 10 to the power of 28 is 16. Further, this equal 9 into 10 to the power of minus 13. This much joules. Very high. This here 13 joules. Now consider an adult, normal adult needs 8,700 kilojoule per day. A normal adult need 8,700 kilojoule per day. Now, here, look at this division. This 1 gram of any entity, any food is converted completely as energy, means this much joules you can get it. Now, look at here, this 9 kilojoule means this is equal to into 1000 joules per day. Now divide both things. Look at here, 9 into 10 to the power of 13 over 870. 1000 is 10 to the power of 3, which gives that is nearly about 103,44,827. 327.56586 days. That means this much days. That means this much days an adult can use. This much number of days can adult use 1 gram of that food. If converted completely energy, that is enough. But you cannot imagine. But it is a thought experiment. It will be realized completely for normal men in future. Now, if you divide this number by 365, suppose for 1 year, which is equal, this number, we will see the division. Look at here, I am calculating this division. 103, 44, 827, 827, 1586, divide 365 days. Here, look at this, how much it comes? 28, 342 years. That means 28,342 years. That much day, that much time, that 1 gram can be used as energy supplier. So very interesting things this. So far we discussed about what is energy equivalent. That means energy equivalent, mass energy equivalent equation by Einstein, as well as that is E equal to mc square, very famous equation. As well, we saw a little proof about it, as well as some explained the important things we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.